Hey, hello, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to teach you about Taurus Ascendant in the Dasamsa chart or the D10 chart. So before beginning, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button, and if you have any doubt after watching this video, please to mention it in my below comment section, okay? So let's begin. So those people who are all having Taurus Ascendant in the Dasamsa chart or the D10 chart, those people require financial stability in their career. They need security because they are very insecure in their career, so they need security, and it also shows that they need their career where financially they should manage everything. So these are all the things that I mainly noticed. So people who are having Taurus Ascendant in the Dasamsa chart or the D10 chart, and it also shows that in the career they are very stubborn in nature, and they want to get value, they want to get status in their society, so they run behind it, so they crave for it, and it also shows that they need their career where financially they should manage everything. So these are all the things that I mainly noticed. So people who are having Taurus Ascendant in the Dasamsa chart or the D10 chart, and it also shows that in the career they are very stubborn in nature, and it also shows that they want to live with large group of people, like in an organization. So it is a large group of people, so they want to live with them. So that's the main one thing they are interested in, the Taurus Ascendant people. So through that they'll get very good name and fame, because first house is ruled by planet Venus, that is Taurus zodiac sign. So these people, before doing any work, they think about their financial things, so whether they'll get very good money or not. So before going to any professional area or any work, so they think of money, whether I'll get very good gain or not through this, and they want very good financial security also. These people are very attractive when it comes to professional matters. Other people get attracted to them, and other people wants to work with them. So those are having this Taurus Ascendant people, this is the one advantage. So you can attract other people, so that you'll get very good gains from them also in your career. So these are all the things that is seen to the Taurus zodiac sign and the planet ruled by Venus. Now coming to the second house of the Dasamsa chart or the D10 chart of Taurus Ascendant. So it is ruled by planet Mercury, where the zodiac sign is Gemini. That shows that they are very intelligent people when it comes to terms of like saving money, so what they have earned, and it also shows that the source of income where they are getting from. So they might be having their own family business, or it also shows that they might be very good at communication skill, through that they might be earning lot of money, and it also shows that they are very intelligent people. So when it comes to communication, they are very intelligent and they talk in an intelligent way, and they may talk even in a diplomatic manner also. Now coming to the third house of Dasamsa chart or the D10 chart for Taurus Ascendant people. So third house of Dasamsa chart for Taurus Ascendant people actually shows it's a Cancer zodiac sign, which is ruled by planet Moon. That shows that they are very emotionally attached towards their learning skills in their career, and it also shows that they are very sensitive in their career also. So when it comes to communication with other people, interaction with other people, it shows that they are very emotionally attached to them. So these people can also be very good creative artist. So these people can also be very good director also, or even writer, script writer in film industry. So these are all the things that I mainly noticed for Taurus Ascendant people. Those are having third house as Cancer zodiac sign, which is ruled by planet Moon. So now coming to the fourth house of the Dasamsa chart for Taurus Ascendant people. So fourth house is ruled by planet Sun, that is the zodiac sign is Leo zodiac sign. That shows that these people inside themselves, they crave for the status in their society or in their career, and it also shows that they want to live in a very kingly sized manner, and it also shows that they are a very egoistic person in their career, that too especially in their office, and it also shows that they want to dominate in their career life. So these are all the things that I mainly noticed. So those are allowing Taurus Ascendant. in the Dasamsa chart, where 4th house is ruled by planet Sun, where the sign is Leo zodiac sign. Now coming to the 5th house of the Dasamsa chart for Taurus ascendant. So 5th house is ruled by again planet Mercury, where the zodiac sign is Virgo, which shows that they are perfectionist in their career and they are very intelligent too. And it also shows that their subordinates will be very critical for them, because Virgo represents critical things and all. So their subordinates will be very critical for them, and it also shows that in their career, through their intellect, they will invest in stock market. So where they will get very good gains. But the condition is the Mercury planet should be placed very well in Dasamsa chart. And even in the birth chart, 5th house should be very good, and 5th house lord also should be placed very well. Now it also shows that they are very well organized in their career or profession, the Taurus ascendant people, because Virgo zodiac sign represent very organized and structured characteristic. So these are all the things can be seen for Taurus ascendant people. Now coming to the 6th house of the Dasamsa chart for Taurus ascendant. See, here 6th house is again ruled by planet Venus, where the zodiac sign is Libra. So it is same as the ascendant lord. So here it shows that in their career, Taurus ascendant people especially, they are very intelligent in terms of handling their competitors. They respect their competitors, they love their competitors, and they love competition in their career. And it also shows that if Venus is very strong, that shows that they will have more and more competitors and more enemies in their career. So these are all the things that I mainly noticed, and it also shows that their regular job may be related to some Venus field itself. Like say for example, they may be related to some fashion industry or film industry or media, or it can be clothing business. So these are all the things that I mainly noticed for Taurus ascendant people, those are having 6th house as Libra zodiac sign. Now coming to the 7th house of Dasamsa chart for Taurus ascendant. See here 7th house is ruled by planet Mars, where the zodiac sign is Scorpio. That shows that these people, that is the Taurus ascendant people in the Dasamsa chart, those who are having this, they are very aggressive in their nature when it comes to talking with other people or interaction with other people, especially strangers. And it also shows that they are very secretive. Like say for example, if a person is running a business, so now when it comes to matter of partnership, they are very secretive in nature. But when it comes to the communication part with their partner, they become very aggressive, they become very stubborn. So these are all the things that I mainly noticed, because 7th house is ruled by planet Mars in Dasamsa chart for Taurus ascendant, and it also shows that their daily life interaction can be little bit like for say for example like ups and downs. So they may not expect what can happen in the future. So it may be ups and downs. Now coming to the 8th house of Dasamsa chart or the D10 chart for Taurus ascendant, which is ruled by planet Jupiter, where the zodiac sign is Sagittarius zodiac sign. Now here for Taurus ascendant people, those are having 8th house which is ruled by planet Jupiter, that shows that they may have this fear of changing the job frequently during Jupiter's Mahadasha, and it also shows that their teacher or their mentor or their guide may change their job, so or may force them to change their job. It also shows that whenever they choose their mentor or teacher or even guide or even guru, they might come into a problem where they can't even fix it without their guru. So they actually will struggle in their life, so without the help of guru. Now coming to the 9th house of the Dasamsa chart or the D10 chart for Taurus ascendant people. 9th house is ruled by planet Saturn, which is a Yoga Karaka planet for them, where the zodiac sign is Capricorn zodiac sign. It shows that whether it may be in terms of public life or it may be in terms of personal life, they may have to choose their guru where they have to follow their guru order or teacher's order or even mentor's order. Now coming to the 10th house, where 10th house is ruled by again planet Saturn, which is a Yoga Karaka planet, where the zodiac sign is Aquarius zodiac sign. That shows that they may be interested in career where related to technical things like computer related things, or they may be interested towards crude oil, petroleum products and all. So these are all the things they may be interested, or they may be interested even in the mining things and all. So these are all the things they might be interested. Now coming to the 11th house of the Dashamsha chart for Taurus ascendant people, so which is ruled by planet Jupiter again. So where the zodiac sign is Pisces zodiac sign, that shows that they will get a very good gain only when they interact with their colleagues very friendly manner, and it also shows that they have to listen to their friends advice, because 11th house is ruled by Jupiter. Their friend can also be very good guru, or their guru can also be a very good friend, so they need to listen to their advice and then move on. Now coming to the 12th house, 12th house represents loss from the work, loss from one's thinking, one's own imagination. Here 12th house is ruled by planet Mars, that is Aries zodiac sign. That shows that through their aggressive nature, through their aggressive thinking, through their loss of physical things and all, they will actually lose their work. So these are all the things that I have mainly noticed, and it also shows that they may go to foreign countries for business purpose. In foreign countries, if they don't have very good communication, if they have very bad communication, they will lose the opportunity also. So these are all the things that I mainly noticed for Taurus ascendant people, those are having in Dashamsha chart or the D10 chart. So this is it for today, guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below, or else I'll see you in the next video, that is Planetary Navamsa series in the 5th house of D9 Navamsa chart. So if you want any consultancy, please do contact to my given below WhatsApp number, or else you can even mail me also. So until and unless, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.